Hi guys, I don't know about you, but I am so ready for spring. Today here on the East Coast, it is beautiful, it is warm, birds are chirping. I really hope I'm not jinxing and it doesn't go back to winter, but if it's spring, who does color better than Rundholz? I am here today to bring you the most gorgeous saturated colors and fun pieces from Rundholz. Now, I'm wearing black, but I don't want to distract from the gorgeous pieces on the rack. So I'm going to start with what I'm wearing, and with the black, then we're going to get right into color. This fantastic jacket has great stretch in it. I'm wearing it open over this adorable print pant and sweater. You can also take this cute sweater back to a little pencil skirt, which you can wear with everything. So, spring, summer, warm, fun, great pieces, mesh. Think about this over a tube dress. Oh, here we go with color. Look at that color, look at that mesh. From flip-flops to sneakers to heels, great ombre sweater, lightweight, so much fun with prints, oversized red dress, a little more fitted in the blue. Up, I spy a little tutu. We wouldn't be us if we didn't pop that in there. And if you don't want to dress, little t-shirt or a topper over a great white tank dress, sweaters. Oh, and I also spy a little high-low saga. By the way, they're still 20% off, limited time, closing soon. Little more fitted black mesh dress with its own underlay. So one and done, dress it up. Now, there are two colors here, lime and yellow. This one is the yellow. This one is the lime. I'm gonna come closer. If you can see the difference, it really is there. They were both gorgeous. I couldn't pick one. Great oversized open cardi. More print mesh, this time a little topper, right over a mesh tunic. Of course, something under that as well. Why don't I show you what we like under that? Look at that Boutique W palette midi dress. Perfect under the mesh, under the cardi, layered up. But I'm telling you, it could be 100 degrees and you're still cool and fabulous. Little linen pant. Well, now it's Rundholz. We know it's not so little. Cropped little sweater. And then for a little more classic Rundholz, of course, the jacket with the pant. But look how much fun this is. Mesh, sweater, necklace, all pulled together with Mikas. And then a touch of linen, oversized, wide leg pant, great top, light and right. So jump on the website, check out Rundholz for spring. Until next time.